Discord is giving away free Nitro to everyone after playing chess. And I will give you Nitro too, but before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. We got a ton of channels and they are all totally free. Plus, we a ton of varieties for layout channels. There are many chat channels, so chat with people from all around the world. And if you want premium decors and offers, we got it covered for you. We also do free Nitro giveaways. So what are you waiting for? Join us now. Now you need to just play chess against Discord bot. I am playing against Wampus. It is totally fine even if you are not good at playing, just scroll down and click assisted. Now the bot will assist you. It's helping you what move you can make. Now I will speed this up. And here we go. I got free Nitro. I don't need this Nitro though. I will just post it in my Discord server mail channel. If you want, you can join my server. The link is in the description. I will post the link when the video goes up. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.